Well, this is the third Wales International Harp Festival, arranged by Canolfan Gerdd, Mathias here in Gallery, and it's getting bigger every time, I think. There's a week-long programme of activity featuring over 100 harpists from 26 countries.
I'm Edward Whitsenberg from the Netherlands, and I'm on the jury of the Chief Musicians contest here. And it's quite fantastic what has been done in a fairly short time. I gave my first harp course in South Wales in 1967. And I can hardly believe that in a comparatively short time so much has happened in the harp world.
Wel, dwi wedi bod yma ers deudydd, fi wedi cadeirydd panel beirniad ar gyfer y gystadleuaeth telyn y byd. Da ni wedi cael 17 o gystadleuwyr o bob man o'r byd, o China, o Loegr, o'r Alban, 5 o Gymru, ni'n falch iawn i'n dweud. Ond roedd y safon yn rhyfeddol, ac yn y diwedd wnaethon ni wobrio deuawd o Wlad Pwyl, Dwa Milonga, na eith chwarae cerddoriaeth tango o'r Ariannin mewn ffordd hynod iawn.
Oh, it's been absolutely wonderful. I mean, this is a brilliant venue. It really is, because we're exhibiting in one of the little rooms at the top here. It's a quiet place where people can come and try the harps we've made. The concerts are going on all around, which is absolutely superb. And there's stuff going on in the evening which we can go and see as well, so we get to see some of the concerts as well.
It's just great to have a celebration of the music of the harp, all kinds of music, from the classical to the world music, and all ages as well, taking part from small children to adults. And well, I'm looking forward to the concert this evening and to sharing the stage with Georgia, because we haven't before.
No, first time. Yeah.
So, no, it's great to be here.
Really, I mean, well, the most impressive thing, I think, is the international lineup that Eleanor has organised. It's absolutely superb. I mean, you can see by this poster, people from all over the world have come here to this. Obviously, the competition has been good, and the World Music Competition, they've had some really varied players in there, which has made it superbly interesting.
I was most impressed by the quality of playing by now. It's really enormous. And also this whole organization works fantastically. Everything really marches all right. And it's great to be in Wales again. It's a few years ago that I haven't been here, but I enjoy every minute of it.
We're welcoming harpists, artists from all over the world, from Paraguay, Venezuela, Japan, France, America. So it's a very diverse range of performers that we've got. And it's getting more popular, I think, every time, with the word spreading about the success of previous festivals.